If someone would like to start a career in cybersecurity, what would be the more, let's say, traditional path
Well,
today?
there's many different paths because cybersecurity is not just one field. Cybersecurity touches anywhere that there's digital technology. So there's room for heavy technologists, coders, programmers. There's room for engineers and architects for hardware or software or services. There's room for project and program managers.
Mhm.
Absolutely. Leadership roles? Yes. HR experts, legal experts, finance experts. Yes, yes, yes. So there are many intersections. Many of the typical paths for people that come into the industry is they're either going to a university or they're going through some type of higher education. That's a great path. Another path is for somebody that maybe doesn't want to do that, but wants to get certifications. And we've got tons of different certifications within the industry that are very valuable and very respected. Okay, sure, right? Go down and get certifications. We have people that simply decide, you know what? I like to tinker with things. I like to hack things and tear them apart and put them together and make them do things that they don't normally do. That actually is a great path as well. We've got white hat hackers, the ones that are doing it for good. Uh, Great, that is a great path into the industry as well. And other ones, we just find people that are very competent in, again, any of those areas, any of those domains, and decide, you know what, I want to apply that to the cybersecurity field. Great, welcome. We welcome you with open arms.